Hello friends and welcome to Uma's Kitchen. Today we are going to make a special Maharashtrian sweet which is made with sesame seeds or til and jaggery or gur. This is a specialty of the winter harvest season which is known by different names like Sankrant, Lodi and so on. This sweet is made in two different ways, one which is crispy and crunchy, so I call it sesame seeds chikki, and the other, the softer version which we are going to make today, I call it sesame seeds barfi. Both of them are equally delicious and are easy to make, but today we are going to make the softer version, the sesame seeds barfi. So first let us start with the ingredients. Sesame seeds 3/4 of a cup, jaggery or gur 3/4 of a cup, dry grated coconut half a tablespoon, roasted peanut powder 1/4 of a cup, clarified butter or ghee 1 teaspoon, cardamom powder according to taste, milk just a little about 1 to 2 teaspoons. First we are going to roast the sesame seeds till they are slightly brownish in color. Keep the flame on medium and turn them around continuously. Now these sesame seeds have been nicely roasted, so I am going to transfer these to another bowl. Now I am going to transfer about half of these sesame seeds, approximately half, into a grinder jar, and we are going to grind these into a coarse powder. Now keep it aside for some time. Now we have to keep this rolling board ready to spread the barfi, and also I am applying little clarified butter or ghee to this rolling pin. To this rolling board you can either apply little ghee or you can also spread a small portion of the roasted sesame seeds that you had kept aside. Either the ghee or the spread sesame seeds can help to stop the barfi from sticking to the rolling board. Now to this same pan I am adding the jaggery. Initially you can keep the flame on high till the jaggery starts melting, and when it starts melting then we are going to reduce the flame to low. Keep turning it continuously, and now that it has started melting I am going to reduce the heat to low. Now you can see the jaggery has completely melted and it has also started boiling, and as you see it has also started frothing a bit, and when this starts happening turn off the gas. Now we are going to add the powdered sesame seeds, roasted peanut powder, milk and the roasted sesame seeds. Also add little clarified butter or ghee, some cardamom powder for extra flavor, and mix everything. Now we are going to transfer all this mixture to the rolling board. Now with your hands gather it together and try to pat it into a circular shape. This mixture is really hot, so apply little ghee to your palms before spreading it. And now with a rolling pin we are going to roll it further. You can keep it as thick as you want. I am going to keep it about half centimeter thick. Now spread little dry grated coconut on top and then roll lightly one more time so that the coconut sticks to the barfi. Now allow it to cool down for some time. After it has cooled down completely, we are going to cut into barfis. You can make any shape you want. I am going to make them into squares. Separate them out from the rolling board and store in an airtight container. So this yummy, delicious, soft version of sesame seeds barfi is now ready. Thank you for watching the video. I really hope that you try making this wonderful winter and Sankrant specialty at home. Please do post any questions or comments, and remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.